advancing everything. So why is regenerative shockwave therapy growing so quickly? You get a better outcome. People achieve up to 90% success rate, and it's a faster healing because it speeds up your body's natural recovery process. And it's non-invasive, so it's not like when you have surgery and you have to recover for a while because of the trauma of the tissue from the surgery itself. And sometimes I've seen this many times where people get scar tissue from the surgery and then they have other issues and then they have to get that removed. They have to go in again and get the scar tissue removed. So this is a non-invasive procedure. And so then you don't have the downtime. You get back to your life without delays, and it's a natural way to heal. It just promotes the natural healing process, and it does it without the side effects of medication that people a lot of times want to avoid. It can be based on pain. It can be based on your functional ability. It varies from person to person, and it depends on what's going on. So range of motion, what you're able to do. And of course, everybody's going to have a different subjective view of that, but it helps people to get back to things that they want to do. Just from the fact that you're correcting the traumatized tissue.